let's talk about the market environment. So commodities, I don't know, as long as I've been in the market, I don't know, maybe like 2010 to, 20, maybe even 2022, 2023 have kind of been underperforming relative to some other assets. How are you guys looking at the current market environment, John Paul?
I mean, commodities is a little bit of a misnomer, right? So we work with commodity trading advisors, but the thing to always remember is we're really working in the futures industry, and in the futures industry, and a commodity trading advisor is trading all different asset classes, but their instrument of choice is doing it with futures. So we really like to look at the space from that perspective where you can be trading indices, you can be trading currencies, you can be trading, obviously the commodities that people think about: oil, natural gas, corn, and those types of products. I think it's important to point that out as it applies to Hyperion. The 95% of what's being traded in that portfolio are S&P 500 futures or options on
Hmm.
futures. So it's really an equity-driven portfolio, which again allows us to make that a little bit more relatable. Um, to go back to your question about actual commodities themselves, as standalone products, they're very difficult to trade. They require active management to be able um, to be able to successfully navigate kind of the ups and downs. Um, and there are a lot of different products on the equity side that people can gain access to those products before. They become there was a lot of talk within the last couple of years post COVID about commodity super cycle, and commodities are going to become more difficult to keep at these suppressed levels, and prices going to explode. But that was the headline of the day, and that's now kind of tapered off. So yeah, I think commodities as a standalone product can be a part of a portfolio if you're looking at the traditional commodity sector.
Hmm.
And there's a lot of different ways to make investments in that space.